What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here today, and I want to showcase one of our vehicles that we built for a customer a while back. Now here today I have a 2021 RAM 1500 TRX with the 6.2 liter supercharged engine. Now this vehicle is already badass, but we had to put our KHC touch on it. Now to start, in the front we have an ADD front bumper and skid plate, and it's paint to match, which I absolutely love how it came out. Adding to that, we added 3 LP6 Baja Design lights in amber in the front. Now moving on over to wheels and tires, we have some Innovate Racing wheels in gloss black with a red beadlock ring, and the whole thing is wrapped in 37-inch Toyo Open Country tires. Personally, I love the 6-spoke design that Innovate Racing has along with the beadlocks. I think it's perfect. I think it gives the exact look that the customer is looking for. Now in the back, we have an MBRP 3-inch stainless steel T304 muffler delete. Now I do want to cut to us giving you guys a little bit of a sound clip so you have an understanding of what it sounds like. Now that you guys know what we did to the truck, it is the end of the video. So if you guys don't mind leaving a like down below, maybe comment of what you think about this TRX build, and hit the subscribe button. Join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next video.